Let me show you how to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you don't want anyone else to know when you have read their text message, I'll show you two different ways to be able to turn that off. Now, if you haven't already, just navigate to the Messages app here. And let's say, for instance, Aaron here, I wanted to turn off read receipts. You can see he has read receipts turned on, indicating that he saw that message. I can turn off my read receipts by tapping on the profile at the very top. And then just scroll down and you can see send read receipts. All I need to do is toggle this off. And now this specific conversation or group chat won't see my read receipts. However, you might want to turn this off across your entire iPhone. To do that, all you need to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll down until you get to Messages on this list. Now within the Messages, all you need to do again is scroll down and you'll be able to see towards the bottom is send read receipts. When this is on, people are notified that you have read their message. All you need to do is toggle that off and now it will be disabled across the entire iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks guys.